Africa Content TV.
We thank God that God has been gracious to Papa. We spent 20 years on the throne and still can't. Our people know because of that in the reality and makes His way prosperous in the name of Jesus. We want to welcome all our fathers in the Lord that are here. The eyes of bishops and bishops are here. Above all, we have the President of CCC worldwide, the prophet of today, the rich servant, Papa, as Olabili. Papa, we welcome you formally. Happy to have you. And happy is also happy to have you. My discussion with the President I want you to come and preach. So, you are welcome to our home, Baba. God bless you, sir. I welcome all the regional pastors here, the regional presidents and districts who are here. I welcome all our bishops, Bishop Peter, Bishop in the house. God bless you. Bishop